To access our full-text newspaper, start at the library website and look for articles and databases. From there, you can look for newspapers under database types, newspaper articles, or under the title of the database. We're going to look for US Newsstream, so I'm going to go to U, and this is our best newspaper database. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the title to open it up. One of the advantages of using the library database is it gives you free full-text access and you won't hit a paywall. So I'm going to go ahead and enter some search terms. I'm going to put in online learning and digital divide. And I'm going to search. And I get about 7,800 results. I can narrow it down on the left side here under Limit To. So I'm going to just click a couple things, full text, and publication date. I really want articles from the last year, so I'm going to go 2020 to 2021. And there's a lot of other ways to limit here on the left side by article type, publication type, location, but we're just going to stick with full text and date. At that point, you can scroll through your results, and once you find something that interests you, click on the title to get more information. Here we have the full text of the article, and we can go ahead and read it. This tab here that says Abstract Details has kind of details about the publication, the author, what type of news it is, the permalink. And then up in the right corner here, there are tools to save, cite, email, and print the article. I'm going to go ahead and email this. And we recommend when you email yourself articles from the databases, you always include the citation. That way you have the full text article and a draft of the citation for your assignment. You can select the citation style that's used in your class, and then just add your email and name and send it off. If you have any questions or need help at any point, contact us through Ask a Librarian.